How to fix the king is watching is crashing on Steam or keeps crashing. So first you want to go to your library, and then you want to right click on the game, go to Properties tab, and then go to Installed Files, and then click on Verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. Now once it's done, you want to click on the Browse button at the top and right click on the game exe file, and then go to Compatibility tab and check both of these options right here. Now you want to click on Apply and OK, and you can close this window. Now go to the General tab, and under Launch Options you want to enter the following command, which is -dx11, and then you can close this window. Now before launching the game again, you want to make sure that you have the latest GPU update installed. So if you have NVIDIA, you will most likely need NVIDIA app, and then you want to go to drivers section, and in here you should find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. You will need to download and install the latest version, and then once you do so, you should be prompted to restart your system. Now once you do that, you will need to open up Steam again and simply launch or play the game, and it should solve the crashing issues. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.